Hey YouTube world, so I know the rumor mill when it comes to the annual Cartier price increases are just swirling around, and of course I had to do some of my own digging just because I'm kind of invested in Cartier right now as I'm looking and exploring a couple of different pieces from them. So I obviously head up my essay. The information she shared with me obviously can change at any time, but I figured if you are looking to purchase or had plans on purchasing a Cartier piece, this is good information to know. Obviously, let's not panic buy, but if you're going to make that purchase anyways, you might as well do it sooner rather than later. So she did tell me when it comes to the watches, the price increase is slated to happen on the first week of May here in the United States. I can't speak to globally, but here in the United States, it's going to be the first week of May. So I did some research when I purchased my Panther watch. This is the medium size in the two-tone version. Back in December, I knew that usually around the spring, April, or May time is when the price increase usually happens with Cartier. However, what's a little bit different this year is, at least that's what the essay told me, is because of the whole entire tariff situation. In terms of the price increases, first week of May, and then jewelry, she doesn't know, but she's estimating it could be around Mother's Day, but they're waiting to see what is happening with the tariff situation and adjusting the pricing based on the tax rate or tariffs rate that could or could not be implemented. Everything is so up in the air, and that's what she told me. Normally, she could probably give me a more definitive answer, but this year is just kind of crazy to them. Now, historically, if you look at the past few years, normally it's between 3 and 15% when it comes to watches, and then it's kind of similar when it comes to the jewelry as well. But if you're looking to purchase a watch, I would do it sooner than later. If you're looking at new pieces for jewelry, take that into consideration. Again, if you're looking to purchase, might as well do it sooner than later. If you're just kind of like wishy-washy about it, kind of just wait and see what happens. And if you are new to my channel, definitely go check out my unboxing for my medium-sized two-tone Panther watch. I friggin' love it. So if that can help you make some informed decisions, I do show a lot of details on it, what it comes with it, and of course my experience, as this is my first big girl watch. Now this is looking at a brand new from retail, from the boutique, right? There's always the option of looking at pre-loved markets for Cartier pieces. Normally, my boyfriend would say like, hey, when it comes to watches, definitely buy retail, which, I'm still trying to decide how I feel about that. But when it comes to watches, he claims that, if you buy from secondary markets, you could end up getting a Frankenstein kind of watch, right? You don't know the mechanics of what's inside the watch, right? They can open it up and change out the pieces, and that obviously jeopardizes the integrity of this particular watch. So if you are comfortable purchasing a Cartier watch pre-loved, make sure you buy from a reputable seller that is not going to tinker around with the watch itself. But let's talk a little bit about the pricing, right? I personally think that the pricing is going to go up depending on the tariff situation. People might not have the same sentiment as my boyfriend where you need to purchase it brand new, right? The secondary market prices are going to reflect, because if it's going to be 10, 20, 30% more on top of their annual price increase, then people are going to flood over to the secondary markets, and which of course people who run these secondary markets, they're going to jack up the price as well. Not because they have to pay additional tariffs because the item is already here in the United States, but because they can, because there's more demand for it. Inventory is going to shrink. When inventory shrinks, it's going to go up as well. So that's just kind of my logic. We'll see what happens. And if I get any more additional information, I'll be sure to share it with you. But this is not going to be the cold, hard facts that you should rely on, because this is just information that they're getting, and that could obviously, like I said, change at any time. So if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for me. If you will, hit that notification bell so that you can keep up with Cartier price increases. Not my usual content, but I'm kind of invested in this, so I kind of want to share what information I know in case you are as well. Life is hard. I want to help you save time and money so that you can somehow adult easier and hopefully less than retail. This is not going to be less than retail. I'll see y'all next time.